In this video, I am going to show you how to access the archive of your stories or posts on Instagram and how to fix it if you can't see it and it's somehow missing. So on your Instagram, on your profile page, if you head to settings, this option called archive, if you tap on this, you can choose different types of archive, whether it's for your posts or stories or live. Here in this video, I'm talking about stories archive. So if I tap on the three dots on the top right corner and get to settings, here, this option says save story to archive. Now, this one is on for me. If for you it was off, it means none of your stories were actually being archived. So you need to turn it on. And now, if you were having some bugs with your Instagram stories archive, turning it off and after like 10 seconds or 20 seconds, turning it back on, it should be fixing the problem. But if that doesn't fix it, what you can do is you can head over to settings and go to general and then iPhone storage. And from this list of apps, if you choose Instagram, and here you can offload the app and then reinstall the application. What it does is it force stops the application in a way that you don't lose any of your data. It doesn't remove any of the messages or pictures, nothing, not even any of the drafts. What it does is that it just removes the cache of that application, removes the application, and then reinstalls it to the latest version, usually fixes all the bugs. Now, if you have an Android device, what you can do is you can clear the cache of that application and then delete the app and reinstall the app yourself. Okay, now it's done. And once we head back to our Instagram, your stories archive should be fixed by now. Now, that should fix your problem, but if you're still experiencing some troubles, please leave me a comment in the comment section and maybe I can figure out some new ways to help you.